coming to you today from Blue, and we're going to show you one of the projects we're working on, which is NAVI. This project is to reduce threats at schools. What we came up with is a color code system that is 5 levels that we borrowed from Homeland Security Advisory. So what this is this will show the amount of threat that's going on in a school. So right now you can see that both of us we're in a green environment. So like everything's good, status of school is green. But as soon as I start yelling, it will move up to a blue. And you can see now in the system that the system's a blue. I've changed to blue. My friend here is still a green. What happens is I eventually go back down. And this is, you can all customize all of this in the dashboard to say how you want your school to respond to these things. The next thing is if I start causing an altercation, like if I start hitting him, then the security camera will pick this up, and then now I'm going to be changed to a different color. So now I'm in a yellow status because I've started causing a problem. Now the school can know about this. They can choose if yellow status goes back to green or if it stays. We in this example have let it stay, so my dot's going to stay yellow. What I'm going to do at this point is we have trained our system to look for green apples as weapons. So what I'm going to do is grab a green apple real quick, and when I pull this out of the bag, you'll see me go from yellow to orange. So if I can get it out of the bag. So now I've got this. Maybe I'm showing it to my buddy. Oh, hey, look at my cool apple, right? System's flagged me. It knows that it's here. If I could shoot bullets from this apple, which I can't do, I would move to the next level, which would be red, at which point this alert could go off to authorities, letting everybody know. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go into the other room, I'm gonna ditch my apple, and I'm gonna change my parents and come back out. We'll see what happens. All right. So as you can see, the system thinks that I'm a different person, or that I may be a different person, but what it knows is that I walked in red and somebody came out of that room. Nobody else went in and out. So it just assumes that I'm a suspect. So you see the icon changes a little bit, but it didn't lose track of me. So this is how our system works. We're hoping to use this at schools to try to reduce threat and solve all sorts of potential issues. Thank you.